You too, man. So if you want to start your sneaker collection, this is how I personally would start mine if I had a restart in the year 2023. And for credentials, bro, y'all see it, bro. Thick ass stack over there. I got more in the closet. I got more upstairs. Stay tuned. I'm gonna show y'all how to actually start a sneaker collection from zero. I got y'all, boys. Let's get it. You don't want to start this game broke, bruh. Start stacking bread, bruh. Stack up you like a cool, I'd say like 400 or 500. Stack you up a cool 400 or 500, bro. Cause I ain't gonna lie, this sneaker game is not cheap and it is not an easy game to get into, bro. Stack up at least $400 or $500, bro, and start from there, and you'll see why. Tiers of sneakers, bro. You get what I'm saying? There's tiers of sneakers. First, we got tiers of sneakers like Huaraches, Air Max, you know what I'm saying, Vans, Converse, you know what I'm saying. We have the lower tier sneakers. Trust me, there is nothing wrong with that, bro. I used to have Walmart sneakers, you get what I'm saying? So there's nothing wrong with where you start, bro. We all start from somewhere. I had those sneakers as well. You gotta build yourself up, you get what I'm saying? Tier number 2, I would say these are the general release Jordans, you know what I'm saying? You may get into Vapor Max, you know what I'm saying? You're getting into like $200 tier shoes. So you may be going to Foot Locker getting you a pair of J's. That's tier 2, you get what I'm saying? Tier 3 is you're buying, you know what I'm saying, some hype shoes now, you feel me? You buying $400 or $500 pair of shoes, you feel me? You know what I'm saying? You getting like limited release Jordans, you know what I'm saying? You getting Jordans that you don't see every day. That's what you're getting. And then you got tier 4, that's when you get like $700 and up. You dibbling dabbing in like rare shoes, you're getting off-whites, and that's when you start getting designer shoes. So that's what I regulate as like the 4 different tiers of sneakers. So when I would start, I would definitely go for in the middle of tier 1 and tier 2, you know what I'm saying? I would get my basics, you know what I'm saying? Get you some Air Maxes, some Forces, some Huaraches, get you some simple stuff, you feel me? For everyday wear. And then get you some, you know what I'm saying, some basic Jordans, ones that aren't general release. Stop buying retail shoes, bro. I ain't gonna lie. If you're gonna start you a collection, bro, buying general release, it's horrible. One, because let's just be honest, bro, general release shoes are not hitting like they used to, you know what I'm saying? They are not hitting like they used to. They don't look as good, you know what I'm saying? Quality all trash on them now, just mass produced, bro. They not worth it, bro. If you're gonna spend $200-300 on some J's, don't get retail, bro. Go ahead, go on Grailed, go on eBay, go on Facebook Marketplace, and go ahead and find you pairs of shoes in the same price point, but just were released a couple years ago, you know what I'm saying? Why I say this is because now your collection is unique. Now your collection is pairs that not everybody be having. Now your collection is, okay, it's something different, you feel me? It's something that you actually want. I promise you, if you get just a collection of all the sneakers that just passed in the past 2 months, bro, you're gonna be stepping out like every other person, bro, and you do not want that. You don't want to spend hundreds and hundreds of dollars on sneakers to just see everybody else got it. Like, damn, I don't know how to buy sneakers, bro. At the end of this video, bro, I'm gonna show you how to do it, bro. No problem. You just starting off, bro, you want to go quantity over quality. I don't care what nobody says, bro. There is no point of having a $500 budget for a sneaker collection and spending it all on one pair. Just think about it. You're gonna have to take that one pair of shoe to gym class. You're gonna have to take it walking through the mud in the rain. You're gonna have to take that one pair of shoe, you know what I'm saying, on a date, you know what I'm saying? Because you spent all your money on one pair of shoe. I don't care how good the shoe is, bro. If you spent all your money on one pair, they're gonna be beat at the end of the year because you can only wear one pair. But if you would have split that 500 into 3-4 pairs, bro, then you have one shoe for gym. You got one shoe for when you got one shoe when it's a rainy day. You got one shoe when it's motherfucking you gotta go on that date night, you feel me? So go ahead, diversify your collection, bro. Don't spend all of it on one pair. Quantity matters, bro, because you're just starting off a collection, you feel me? So please, please, please do not dibble and dabble in the fake game, bro. Just don't do it. At the end of the day, bro, you're gonna be walking around all day thinking, damn, they must think my shoes are fake. It's not a fun game, bro. You know what I'm saying? Like, why even do it, bro? And I never understood it. Why would you pay $150 on a fake shoe if you can just buy a real shoe with the same amount of money, bro? I don't care if you want a certain colorway. I don't care, bro. It's not worth it, bro. At the end of the day, you can't resell them because they're fake. You're gonna be walking around all the time thinking, damn, you must think my shoes are fake. You have the chance of getting flamed in front of everybody, which is not fun. If you got $150, bro, and you want some SBs, you can get SBs for 90 bucks on retail. Just wait for retail, wait for the next one to come out, you feel me? Go on Grailed, go on eBay, go find you a pair for $150, bro. You don't gotta buy a fake pair, you feel me? That's another thing too. Half these fakes be like $200. What the hell you spending $200 on a fake shoe for? You can find hella real shoes for $200, you feel me? Used section. This is what I did and this is what I still do, bro. Used will save you hundreds, if not thousands on shoes, bro. I'm talking about $600 shoes turn to like $300-400, you feel me? You can find Jordans under $100 if you go the used route, bro. I'm telling you, people wear shoes for 2 times, sell them for $100 cheaper, bro. That's what I used to do. I used to buy shoes for like 60-80 bucks, clean them up, resell them, go for $150, go use that $150 and just recycle the process, bro. That's what I used to do. You're gonna save you so much money buying used. It's just the best way in the game, bro. People buy stuff, wear it 2 times, sell them for hella cheap. And if you know how to fix shoes, bro, I'm telling you, you can go buy you a beat shoe for $50, fix it up, and now you got a clean pair. And you only paid $50 for it. I know, because I did that. You feel me? Y'all gotta remember, this is your sneaker collection, bro. I'm gonna make this video short and sweet because, you know what I'm saying, we just getting to the point. But you wanna make this sneaker collection your sneaker collection, bro. You do not wanna copy, bro. Stop following trends. Do what you wanna do, bro. If you wanna wear some Vans and that's not the style, go ahead and wear you some Vans. If you wanna wear some Converse, that's not the style, go wear some Converse. At the same time, if there's a hype shoe and you genuinely want it, go and get it. Who cares, bro? If there's a shoe that everybody wants, go get it. If there's a shoe that nobody wants, go get it. This is your sneaker collection. This is your money that you're taking out of your pocket. Don't let nobody else's decisions direct your purchase, bro, because at the end of the day, whatever people say, bro, you're going back to your house and you're going back to your room, bro. And they don't pay your bills, bro. They don't pay for your sneaker collection, so who cares what they say, bro? At the end of the day, first, stack your bread up, bro. This game is not easy, and you do not want to come in cheap. If it takes you a year to stack up bread, stack it up, bro, because what you don't want is to have all this good gear and be broke, you know what I'm saying? So stack up a couple $100 and then go and buy some kicks, you get me? Realize your expectations, bro, and just shop within tiers. If you're starting, I recommend shopping at the tier 1 to 2 section and then build your way up to tier 3, 4, and 5. Don't be spending all your money on designer. 3, stop buying retail, bro. Go ahead, go do some research. You will find better looking pairs for the same price, bro. They were just released back in like 2016. They look better, they're rarer, they're harder to find. Your collection gonna look way better, I'm telling you. 4, quantity over quality, bro. There is no reason to be spending $500 on one shoe to make it your only shoe, bro. If you got 500, split that bit, go buy 5 pairs. You get what I'm saying? Number 5, bro, stop buying fakes, bro. Don't buy fakes. They have literally no value. Don't buy fakes. And 6, buy what the hell you want, bro. At the end of the day, the money comes out of your pocket, bro, so buy what you like. And with that being said, if you want to know how to buy sneakers, bro, and if you want to know my secret and how I buy all my shoes under market value, I got a video right here, bro. I'm gonna put you on game. I love y'all. I'm gonna catch you in the next video. Peace. Face ass.